Alright, what's up there, people? Hunter Spoke Riders here. And there's a lot of stuff going on right now. Something that seems like it would be oh so simple, but it really isn't. Getting shocks on. These back shocks on this car was gone. I'm talking about shot. One side. Here, I'll show that side, how loosey-goosey that side is real quick. Look at that. No kind of resistance. And that was a good one now. That was a good one because the other side is broken. Hold on, let me get down here and show you the broken one. Daughter's car here. And oh boy. You see that? This is how she rolled in. With this side then broke all the way off. And this shock was dragging over here, but she had somebody in the back seat. So I said I gotta replace both the shocks. So we just put this one in right here. Let me see if I can get over here for you. So got the new shock in, new mounts, and got the first one in. We just gotta drop this tire, and now it's on to the second one. So I'm about to bring my daughter out here. I want to do the first one on my own. This is a monster. So get my daughter out here, gonna help us with the last one. Or at least, you know, have her out here so she knows what's going on. All right. Let me pause this for a second while I struggle to get up off the concrete. Cause let me explain something to you people. Hold on, let me turn this camera around. Alright. Let me explain something, people. You see what I'm doing right here? Laying on the ground, working underneath the car, laying on the hard concrete. It's no fun. It's no fun. So, hopefully the dream is one day to get a car lift. But we'll see what happens. For now, we gotta get this going, because I'm tired of messing with this already. I want to go pavilion. It's Bear Jackson weekend, and I just want to go look at some cars. I don't want to be working on cars. Sorry, it's so shaky. It might be crooked, but that's because I'm holding the phone, laying on my shoulder. Oh, this is after we went to the gym. So, one down, one to go. We'll bring this back in once we got everything all set up. Excuse me. Come on back over here. All right, so what do you got to say about this situation? Hey, stand over by your car. How about that?
I don't really have anything to say right now.
Uh-huh.
I haven't seen what you guys are doing.
You want to tell the people how you busted your shock? Or did you jump the railroad tracks or the jump over another car?
No.
Uh-huh.
No.
Oh, you were going off-road in it, weren't you?
No.
Uh-huh. So it just magically broke on its own, huh?
Yeah. It might have been that, you know, that bump at Rose Garden.
Oh.
Probably was that.
Because you go too fast over the dips and bumps, huh?
No, I don't actually.
Uh-huh. The truth is going to come out eventually. She's putting in the work, too. Okay.
When do I stop?
Just keep going until it falls out. See if you can unscrew it with your fingers. Okay. There we go. You did it.
Now what?
You did it.
Is that it?
For now, yes.
Okay.
That's it for now. Well, how do you feel about that?
I don't like being under my car, so I'm gonna move.
All right. Oh boy. You're gonna be surprised how well it rides now with these new shocks.
Really?
They should ride a lot different because even before you busted the old shocks, the old shocks were gone. So it was like they were in bad shape.
So you were letting me drive on busted shocks in the first place?
No, they weren't busted. They were just wore out. They're still usable.
Out?
Yes.
Well, that's just as bad.
No, it's not just as bad. It's not as bad as it hanging down off the car and broken bolts because somebody tried to go over a bump doing 120 miles an hour.
That's the equivalent of it being broken.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah.
So, all right, we're still at it.
Show my shoes.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, good enough.
Keep that in the video.
Yeah.
There.
All right, I gotta put this phone. What? Put this phone down because my hands are greasy and I don't even like holding my phone like this. Anything you want to say so far?
I was not going 120 over the bump.
Just 100, huh?
No, I was going like 5.
Yeah, 500 miles an hour maybe.
No.
Okay. We're down to the last 2 nuts on here. My daughter tightening them up, putting her to work in her favorite hoodie. Yeah, you got it? Okay.
I think it's good.
All right, take that socket off of there. Take that end off of there and put the other one on there.
How do we do this?
Pull it off. Just pull it. There you go. Put the other one on there. Push it on there. All right, now tighten that one. Other side.
What?
Yeah, that one. You might have to scooch in a little bit more. I know this angle is kind of crazy. Now you gotta get on there straight. There you go. How does it feel wrenching on your own car?
It hurts.
Feel the pain? It's all for the love of the Chevy, huh?
Okay.
Put the muscle in it. Put the little baby muscle in there. Alright, I think that's good. I'll tighten it. Check it. So, what do you think about that? You're done.
That's it?
Yep. You got brand new shocks.
That's cool. I'm excited to be able to drive my car again.
Okay. You tired of the Tahoe already?
I just don't like the brakes and not knowing how much gas is in it.
Alright.
So,
Yeah. Oh, I'm putting that on there too.
I hope you do.
Yeah, I'm putting that on there.
Excuse me.
You see what I deal with here, people? But she's out here working. She's out here working. Alright, let me make sure these, double check these, make sure these tight, and we can drop this bad boy on down. Alright, people. Once again, you gotta excuse the shaky camera and the little crazy angles because we just out here with the cell phone trying to get this in quick. But it is what it is. Alright, people. Okay, you're back in action once again.
Yes.
How does it feel? We just went for a little test drive. How does it feel to be driving your car again?
It feels good. I missed it.
Alright, so new shocks installed. Say bye to the people.
Bye.
Alright. She's got big important things to do. She has to go and pick up her friends and have fun in the brand new car with brand new shocks on her car. Alright, mission accomplished. Be careful. And go to the car wash. Okay, there she is, people. Got her back in action. And now I am ready to hit the pavilions and go look at some cars because I'm tired of working on cars. Oh boy. Alright, people. Got her shocks back on. And it's the end of the story. So, mission accomplished. 100 Spoke Riders, signing out. Thanks for watching 100 Spoke Riders. Subscribe today to not miss a video. You want to hit that little bell like so? Easy. Don't forget about the notifications. All you gotta do is go up there and click it just like that. Slide on down there, hit that save button, and then you won't miss a video. It's that easy.